Welcome back, YouTube. Hayden here, and in today's episode we do need to go over XRP, Solana, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. As you guys can see, all of the major cryptos, including the stock market, are starting to retest and correct. And I'm honestly not surprised. We have been retesting some major resistances pretty much across the board here. I mean, just looking at the stock market really quick, as you guys know, all we did was just extend this downtrend just a hair, and you can see as of yesterday we came into contact with it, had a major reversal, and then today we are starting to descend lower. So we clearly have a resistance up top drawn, and we may have even a bottom support here, which as you can see is doing nicely, filling this gap in, and more than likely going to send us back to retest moving average here and the uptrend. So honestly, we don't look bad at all, and we like to form these formations consistently on the stock market. Whether or not correlation is causation is up for debate in regards to with seeing something like the stock market starting to correct. You then look at XRP starting to correct as well. You look at Solana starting to correct as well. Ethereum starting to correct. Bitcoin starting to correct. So I don't know. It's really not much of a surprise if you ask me that all these cryptos are starting to teeter lower, and it's because we're retesting some major resistances here, and they pretty much paved the way to where a lot of these cryptos are starting to move to. So again, not surprised at all. We will continue to update you as I do believe we were kind of expecting a drop. As you guys remember, we drew the Elliott impulse wave and we only have about 4 points of confirmation. So the fifth one would complete this bull flag formation that is beautifully forming on XRP, which will more than likely lead to a positive pump, but more than likely correction is what's going to take over short term right here. Not surprised, but with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's get right into today's episode. So guys, as you can see, yesterday we basically made a video talking about how I am extremely bullish, but take a look at where we were drawing these bull flag formations and where we expect to see the actual break to occur. You can see within the bull flag here, we are in a downtrend, and we expect to see us pull just a hair lower into this target that we have drawn with the expectation of a swing, a run, a pump to the upside here, and that's more than likely what's going to happen. Now, before we dive into the technical analysis, remember BYDFI is giving away a lot of free merch right now, some cool stuff, I guess, for the New Year's here, so you can get free crypto and a lot of other tech goodies too, and even some crazy prizes, but that's for crazy high trading volume that I don't expect many people to hit, but it's just a new way of getting some free stuff for work you're probably, or things you're already doing, so make sure to take advantage of it. Links down in the description below, and there's more info later on in today's episode here. Now, more of what we need to talk about, more info on on BYDFI will be later on, but what we need to talk about today is what exactly is consolidating within these cryptos. You can see CoinMarketCap is starting, obviously, to breach lower here, down 4.67%, 66 on fear and greed, and you can see that we are starting to tilt downwards here. Tilt downwards, tilt downwards, tilt downwards, tilt downwards. I mean, we've been all over the place here. We said it just yesterday that we're on the fence here, and we could very easily pump to the upside if we confirm above major resistances here. We looked good. Cryptos were starting to rally up. Bitcoin had started off very nicely yesterday with the beautiful run to the upside on a Monday morning. So we definitely looked great. But the thing is, a lot of these cryptos also have price ceilings and tops. And there's a good chance we could continue to head up. Nobody's saying we're not going to continue to rally to the upside here. But there are some other major cryptos that are starting to hit a bit of turbulence, starting to have a bit of problem heading even higher up, which is what we need to look at today. You can see beautifully here uptrend, and you can see this bull flag is clearly showing lower high, lower low patterns here. Bull flag, for those that don't know, let's pull that up. Bull flag crypto, here we go. And you can see, ooh, Bill, we need to do bull. Sorry for my typo. You can see right here, this is what we're looking for. A beautiful uptrend, the flag pull, followed by the flag down, and then a breakout to the upside here. Impulsive wave up, flag corrective wave down, impulsive wave up yet again. Consistent flag pull, flag breakout. I mean, I don't know how much more technical and obvious we can get this. This screams textbook for XRP, and we have consistently made these bull flags so many times over in the past for XRP's charting. It loves to form these here, so it's really not going to be a surprise that we see another one. That's honestly what we're anticipating. We've drawn An Elliott impulse wave, we typically look for 5 points. We thought we had 5. It wasn't. We've corrected that. You see this downtrend here getting sandwiched. We broke bullish, rallied to the upside here. There is a very big possibility we could see us descend all the way down to 0.5. It's very possible. We don't know with 100% certainty what's going to happen, but we do have a clear and obvious downtrend here, and there's a very good chance we could continue to spiral lower if the markets obviously let us. Like I've said, I don't like to trade inside these technicals. You could, if you want to gamble, play around with a possible short to the downside. I'd rather wait for confirmation to close us above that resistance or above that support. Like we break through here, we're obviously falling. As we thought we could have done this week, which we're probably not now that we rejected off resistance here. Had we have closed above this on the daily, we could have bought in and expected a rally to the upside. It didn't happen. We didn't see that confirmation break above, so we're now starting to correct downwards. Now, we do all these trades on Bitfi, the #1 cryptocurrency leveraging exchange that I like to use on the channel. As you can see here, buy long, sell short. I mean, you can see here, limit orders, market orders, buy long, sell short, take profits, stop losses, trailing stop losses. Every single thing you'd want is offered on an exchange, is offered on Bitfi, including what I like, which makes them, I think, stand apart from other cryptos, is the fact that they have a reward center where once you sign up with the link down below, you can join in on hot rewards, exclusive rewards, daily rewards that reset every day, and the new user rewards. So for those that are new, or if you've already used them all, go make a new account, and then you can take advantage of these free rewards. $100 in free bonus crypto to anyone that signs up, and then up to 8K in free bonus crypto for people that are, whales out there, for those that want to take advantage of just free bonus crypto. All this bonus crypto, you can't withdraw, but you can trade it, and all profits earned off the withdrawals, or off the trades, can be withdrawn, which is epic. You can see right here, they even have a demo account, and I say, if you guys like to trade, if you're like want to get into crypto trading, or you're learning, or you want to stay you don't want to get rusty, you can take advantage of it using this demo account. 50K in bonus crypto, which will get you pretty far. It resets, it's unlimited. Get familiar with the platform, learn how the exchange works, make some profitable trades. If you get good at the Bitfi demo account here, head on over to the live trading account, use the free bonus money. I mean, even $100 leverage 20x can get you $2,000 in trading. And then, as you can see here, all trading profits can be withdrawn, which is epic. So moving forward from Bitfi here and XRP, which you can see clearly is in some sort of bull flag, something like Solana has a beautiful bull flag as well. We did briefly break out of it here, and now we're kind of getting stuck. Now, I do think we're still bullish on these cryptos. XRP, even if we cause correction, I still believe is bullish here. Even though we're not seeing it this week, I still think long-term we have what it takes right now. Even with Solana veering downwards here, we broke out of a major bull flag, a major descending fractal. We're starting an uptrend. We broke through moving average and a downtrend and a price ceiling. So even with this correction here, there's a good chance we can consolidate, and then I do believe we do have what it takes to head higher. I don't know when it's going to come, but we do look very bullish here across the board. Even though I said XRP could see a bearish correction, we are inside something much larger that is very, very bullish, that could take a couple of weeks to form, but as patient as you were in the last run, you'd be patient with this one, and you can very easily make up for those lost, or for the time that you've been waiting patiently, is what I'm meant to say here. So I very much think we're going to see a correction like this. Same thing with XRP. Ethereum here did correct downwards here, but again, I do believe we do have what it takes to head higher. But all these cryptocurrencies have to, I guess, be in sync with each other, and then we can start to see that. Bitcoin as well saw a bit of a dip, but again, breaking out of here, there's a very good chance we could start to reverse and streamline higher. It just needs to happen kind of with all these cryptocurrencies. So until then, we're kind of sitting ducks. But I think they'll all start to rally up at the same time, or near that, once we get out of this consolidative market that we have right now. If anything, it's healthy. It's really nothing to worry about too much. We're starting off this year, the new year, very well. So I'm really not worried. Stock market, again, we're looking for a retest down to this bottom support. Even though we're consolidating lower, like we are eventually going to come into contact with this and rally up. More than likely, that is what I would suspect and expect to see happen, probably for the first quarter of 2025. So with that being said, smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.